Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me once again. Just finished up doing an oil change on my 2015 Rav4 all-wheel drive, and my wife was telling me that the third seat belt is not working. We were trying to accommodate 3 people in the back, but the middle seat couldn't get their seat belt on. So I'm going to take you along and see what the problem is. Let's get started. Okay, this is the third seat belt clip-in. This is the belt. As you can see, I try and put it in. Oh, that's stuck. Nothing is happening. So there's probably something stuck in there. Let's just see if we can find anything. I'm just using a pick. See what I can find. And sure enough, something got stuck in there. Looks like a hair tie. So let's see now if that works. Wow, look at that. So guys, if you're having issues with your seat belt not clipping in, don't take it to a dealer and where they're going to charge you money. Try and figure it out yourself and try to fish around inside and see if you see anything to fish out and save you some money. Thanks again for joining me, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.